if you're gonna yell out the window, call me. Oh, I got proof. I got a dash cam. Where's your proof at? Okay, yeah, videos like this goes viral, by the way. So yeah, please show more anger. Show more anger. Hello everybody, it's your boy Hemi. Man, I got a video for you guys today. All I was trying to do was go to Pizza Hut from Walmart when this lady chases me around town and accelerates and do a hard stomp right behind me to try to incite a reaction out of me. And then all I saw was a big head pop out of the window and yo, hey. And then after that happened, both her and her proclaimed daughter were both taking pictures of my license plate, and I saw the old lady I saw her mouth running. I couldn't hear everything she was trying to say. But while the whole thing was going on, what they failed to realize is I got a dash cam. Not only did she follow me to 2 different street lights and started yelling at me through the window and taking pictures of my plates, she also uploaded me on social media because I used one of my other cameras and recorded them back because I'm trying to figure out, hey, why are they following me around town? I'm gonna try to get this on camera. So you be the judge. Was I going 40 miles per hour? Was I even close to hitting her or her daughter? You be the judge. And the clip's about to play in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. When you guys just saw twice that I was nowhere close to hitting their vehicle and I was nowhere close to hitting 40 miles per hour. So what happens, this car is a V8, obviously. It's a 392 Hemi Charger Scat Pack. What I do have is called paddle shifters, which allows me to manually drive the car and control the RPMs. So the RPMs, the higher this number is, the louder your car gets, obviously. So when I'm using paddle shifters and I'm driving through a parking lot per se, and I keep myself in first gear, and this car could go all the way, while I'm driving using paddle shifters, it could go all the way to about 6,000 RPMs before I have to snap it to the next gear.
All different. So all the different niggas,
Alright y'all, so there's this lady that's following me. I'm about to go see what she wants.
I was like, it's about to go down.
Hey, so what's that you called me?
You almost hit us.
I didn't almost hit nobody. I got a dash cam too.
You almost hit me.
I got a dash cam too.
All through
Hey lady, I got a dash cam right here. I didn't almost hit nobody. So I can prove what I'm trying to say. Hey, do you got proof? I got a dash cam.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, where's your proof? I got a dash cam. So if you're gonna yell out the window, call me. I got proof. I got a dash cam. Where's your proof at?
Go turn it in, please. Go turn it in, please.
Okay, yeah, videos like this goes viral, by the way. So yeah, please show more anger. Show more anger. This goes viral. Videos like this goes viral. So yeah, so think next time before you call somebody out a window.
I'll do it again.
Yeah, do it. I'll get it on camera. Whether or not she heard the noise of the V8 exhaust and considered that to be, oh, he's going 40 miles per hour. No, lady, no, I'm not. Look clearly next. There's 2 of y'all in that one car. I was going nowhere near 40 miles per hour, lady. So in our Facebook group, she tried to make me out to be some sort of creep, saying, oh, he's taking pictures of myself and my underage daughter. Woman, if that chick there is under the age of 18, then Caitlyn Jenner must be a man. Come on now, who are you fooling? Especially, I'm looking at your age. You got to be at least about 80 years old. So if you're about 80 and you think myself or anybody that's reading that post is gonna believe that your daughter, that your supposed daughter, that y'all don't look anything alike, is under the age of 18 when she looked like she's in her late 20s, early 30s, nonetheless. And the funny thing about that post was you uploaded the post to try to expose me, but that post backfired on you, because taking a look at the comments, everybody in our thread was defending me, saying, hey, you're in a public spot. He has every right to record you, especially seeing how you was following him around town, taking picture of his plates, recording him doing the same thing. So why is it when I record you, you got a problem, but you have no problem chasing me around town trying to get a picture of my plates? It doesn't make sense. It's just called being a hypocrite. So all in all, I didn't really even want to upload this video. The only reason why I did upload this video is because I showed up to work and my homies came up to me telling me that somebody uploaded your license plate, your car, and wrote a whole paragraph trying to make you out to be a pedophile or making you out to be some sort of creep and trying to turn a town against me. That's, in my opinion, that's defamation of character. There's one thing that you don't do, and you don't try to make somebody be a creep if he wasn't doing anything creepy related. It was you that was chasing me around town. You chased me to 2 different street lights. I made a left turn, you made a left turn. I made another left turn, you made a left turn. So then I pointed, telling you to go pull into this gas station, and that's when you're like, oh, I don't want a confrontation. So that's when I was like, oh, forget that. I need to find out who you are. If you're following me around town, I need to find out who you are. That's the only reason why I'm not blurring your license plate out, is because when you uploaded me to that Facebook group, you didn't blur out mine, or you made sure that my license plate was in that frame. And so seeing that video, how I did absolutely nothing wrong, what you did wrong was you was using a cell phone when you were driving. And you uploaded that picture of while you behind the wheel recording another vehicle. So that means you were using your cell phone behind the wheel of a mobile vehicle while in operation, and you weren't pulled off to the side of the road. Wait a minute. So if that's your daughter and you were using your phone while chasing me around town to take a picture of my plates, did you just admit to putting your daughter in danger while using a phone behind a moving vehicle? Oh God. Isn't that child endangerment? So all in all, if anything comes off of this video of you trying to expose me, the only person that will get in trouble is yourself. It's funny how that works out. So like I said, videos like this tend to go viral. I didn't intend to make this a 10-minute video. I just wanted to get straight to the point. But if I did just skip straight to the point and just show you guys the video, I'm just show you guys the confrontation, more questions gonna rise, and I don't want to have to answer myself and make a follow-up video after follow-up video after follow-up video. I just want to get it all in one video and call it a day. So hey, I'm not uploading this video in any way to promote some sort of harassment against these individuals. I just want to promote awareness and to let my story out, because apparently I sent a join request to that group so I could tell my side of the story, but they're not accepting me. So if I got a social media platform such as YouTube, I'm gonna utilize it to put my story out there. So it's just another day of driving with the V8. You know, the exhaust is louder than a regular street car. So next thing you notice, oh yes, your exhaust is a little bit loud. You gotta be going 40 miles per hour. I gotta follow you around town. You must be an asshole. And for all the randoms that stood up for me in that page, I just want to say thank you guys. I appreciate it. I wasn't able to reply because they're not letting me into that group. The funny thing was, hey, how do you try to expose me to a group of people, and that same group of people that you try to expose me to were the ones that roasted you and called you out for being crazy? That's the funny thing, that the same people that you try to expose me to called you out for pretty much trying to manipulate the situation and try to call me a pedo and stuff. The same people. That's pure comedy. Pure comedy. But yeah, once again, those people that stood up for me, because I couldn't post in that conversation because it's a closed group on Facebook and that group won't accept me. I just want to say thank you guys. Yeah, y'all the real MVPs. Hey, so what's that you called me?
You almost hit us.
I didn't almost hit nobody. I got a dash cam too.
You almost hit me.
I got a dash cam
You're
too.
racing all through here.
Hey lady, I got a dash cam right here. I didn't almost hit nobody. So I could prove what I'm trying to say. Hey, do you got proof? I got a dash cam.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, where's your proof? I got a dash cam. So if you're gonna yell out the window, call me an I got proof. I got a dash cam. Where's your proof at?
Then go turn it in, please.
Okay, yeah, videos like this goes viral, by the way. So yeah, please show more anger. Show more anger. This goes viral.
Go ahead.
Videos like this goes viral.
Go ahead.
So yeah, so think next time before you call somebody out a window.
I'll do it again.
Yeah, do it. I'll get it on camera. So I got the footage. I shared this footage with everybody in the group. You're clearly in the wrong. There's no what's ifs, ands, or buts. You're in the wrong. It wasn't cool what you did. You escalate the situation by uploading me to that Facebook group, and you don't even have your facts right. So this video is just a response to what you started, and yeah, go about your day. Learn from this and don't do it again. That's all I gotta say for you. There's no sorries. No, that'll get me to take this down. The video is out, and it is what it is. You have no expectation of privacy when you pull up to Burger King. I'm all in my rights to film you, as you did the same to me. You're out there in public, and hey, it is what it is. Learn from it. Don't do it again.